morning students, how are you? Hope you are all in the pink of health. I am Atanu Roy and you are watching bond making and bond breaking channel. So today I am going to discuss with you a very important name reaction for the preparation of amine. The name of the important reaction is Curtius reaction, which is very important. I give you the reaction firstly, then I give you the mechanism for this reaction and for this important reaction. So let's start with optimistic energy. Look, the Curtius reaction. So what is the reaction for this? The reaction is, if you have this acyl azide, what is this? This is called acyl azide. So let's take acyl azide. This is acyl azide. If you have acyl azide and you want to prepare from this reaction by using, you want to prepare amine, okay? This is primary amine. You want to prepare this from acyl azide by using water, okay? Heat and water. By using heat and water. From acyl azide, if you want to prepare 1 degree amine, okay, from acyl azide, if you want to prepare 1 degree amine, the name of this important beautiful reaction is Curtius reaction, okay. So let's start its mechanism. What is the mechanism? Mechanism is, firstly you write this compound in its form, that is R C double bond O bond N3. So you can write this N3 in this type or in this way, and this is N3, okay. So this N give you minus and this N give you plus. So this is the form of this acyl azide, okay. Now you just give or donate this minus to create this pi bond, okay. You just give this minus in between carbon and nitrogen, you just donate for create pi bond, and then it remove this pi bond and oxygen gets negative charge. When it gets negative charge, it donates its negative to create back pi bond and R is removed from here. I repeat it again, minus between carbon and hydrogen, it gives the minus to create pi bond, okay. Then the pi bond of between or in between carbon and oxygen is removed from here. Then oxygen gets negative charge and it donates its negative charge to create the pi bond again, and the R is removed from this compound. So what we get? What I get? We get this compound. We get this compound R single bond C. Oh, R is removed from here. So I get O double bond C double bond N. Okay. Now N plus and triple bond. We get form to this. Okay. I repeat it again. Minus, nitrogen give its minus. So pi bond between carbon and hydrogen, it removed from here. Then it donates its pi bond, and when it's back bonding to donate is to get, create a pi bond, R is removed from here. So we get from here to this compound. Now, now these are minus. Now these are minus. These are minus. R minus hit this nitrogen. When it hits the nitrogen, this compound is removed from here as a form of N2. Okay, as a form of N2. So what will be the next step? Next step is there is minus N2. So what will be the next step? The next step is O double bond C, O double bond C, then double bond N and single bond. Look the product. Now take, okay, just it gives you R minus hits this nitrogen. When it hits this nitrogen, just this bond is removed from here, as this compound is removed from here as a form of nitrogen. Now take water molecules. Then these water molecules give its lone pair to the carbon. Okay. These lone pair, these water molecules, the oxygen of the water molecules give its lone pair to the carbon. Okay. Now the pi bond is snatched, is pulled by nitrogen. When oxygen gives its lone pair, the pi bond is snatched by N. Now what will happen? This is oxygen double bond carbon. This is water molecule. Oxygen donate its electron, so it gives you plus. Now this is hydrogen. This is N, and it gives you, and this is R. It gives you negative charge. Now finally, oxygen, highly electronegative element, and it gives you positive charge. It is not possible. So the electron of this bond is snatched by oxygen, or is pulled by oxygen. So it takes its electron. Okay, now the hydrogen is free. This hydrogen goes to this nitrogen. Okay, so what will happen? The process is, this is O, this is C, now this is OH, this OH, and N gets its NH, this is NH, and this is R. Now it wants to form carbon dioxide, so it donates its bond to create double bond or to create the carbon dioxide. So it breaks its bond. On the other hand, carbon dioxide wants to create a pi bond, and another way it's remove the compound. So CO2 is formed. When it donates its bond, this bond is broken. And as usual, hydrogen is free from here, so it goes to this negative. So the next and final step is CO2. This is CO2. This product is CO2. So this is CO2. This CO2 is formed. So you get RNH2. So the obtained for that is RNH2. This is primary amine that I want to prepare. So this process is very important. This process is known as Curtius rearrangement, or you can say it Curtius reaction. So you just you have acyl chloride, and you just give it heat and water, then you can prepare amine. What will be the mechanism for this reaction? The mechanism is you just write this acyl chloride in this form. How can you write this? This is RCO and N3, that is the azide. You can write this N3 in this way: N minus, single bond N plus, and triple bond N. Okay, then minus donates to create pi bond, and here the pi bond between carbon and oxygen removed, oxygen gets this negative charge, then negative charge comes to form pi bond, and R is removed from here. So when R is removed from here, R gives you negative charge. This negative hit this nitrogen, so it hits this nitrogen. When it hits this nitrogen group is removed from here. Why? Because thermodynamics helps to remove this nitrogen, and nitrogen, as it is gas, it is very good living group for this compound. So azide is very important for this reaction. So you get OCN and R, OCN and R. Then you take water molecules. Oxygen has lone pair, so it donates its lone pair to the carbon, and the pi bond is broken, and nitrogen takes its electron. So when nitrogen takes its electron, it shows you negative charge, so nitrogen forms negative charge. Now oxygen donates its electron, so oxygen shows positive charge. Now the problem is nitrogen have minus and hydrogen have plus, so hydrogen comes to nitrogen, so it's from RNH. So the compound is OCOH. This is OCOH and NHR. Now the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, it wants to create carbon dioxide here, because thermodynamics help it, due to thermodynamics factor. So it creates double bond here, so the carbon dioxide is formed and hydrogen go to the nitrogen, so RNH2 is formed. This is primary amine. So this reaction is very important. Okay, hope you feel well, and this reaction very helpful for you. Hope you enjoy today. Now I want to tell you that keep your study best. Thank you so much. Keep your health well and keep your study. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.